coming into this year, Eli Tomac said this was not going to be a farewell tour, and he proved it in San Diego, winning for the 11th straight year. 11 years with a win. I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, he's the only person in this sport to ever have done that, and that's incredible. You got to think at this point, he's been racing the top talent of, the 1% of the 1% at the highest level at the top speed and winning every single year. You think about all the people he's raced against and to still be doing it, still be doing it at the best possible peak. I don't- It's just, however you want to say it, he is an absolute incredible person. And I believe right now, it's 53 wins, second overall all time. And this pass is just proves it. Around the outside in the sand section to pass Jet for, was it fifth at that point, to go all the way back up to first and hold it. Racing against Jet at just absolute incredible speeds. They passed Cooper Webb and they put like 14 seconds on him in no time. He was absolutely flying, and it's awesome to see. Obviously, it's kind of a sad thing to say, but it's kind of good at this point that he got injured in 23. Because I believe he said it himself that if he had won that Supercross title, he probably would have retired right then. Probably retired that year, gone out on top, and it would have been over. Now, obviously, came back last year, probably wasn't fully 100% after the Achilles injury, but I think this year we're seeing it. He is fully back. He wants to win. He wants to be, at the top, the title contender. He's not, not happy just to roll around at fifth or sixth or seventh and just be, hey guys, I'm here. This is great. This is fun. Uh, I really hope he wins this year. That'd be such a cool way to go out, lose a championship that you should have won, come back from a ridiculous injury, and come back and win a title in this stacked of a field would be incredible. And he deserves it. He is one of the most talented, hardest working, fittest guys that this sport has at this point, and incredible to watch. It's one of these years that it's going to be so fun to see, how different he is in age from Jet Lawrence, how much different of a, it's more of a, I'm going to work this bike to do what I want, not as smooth. And, my fitness is going to be the overall factor here. And I'm excited for this. Man, it's great to see, and everyone's still going. Nobody got hurt in the first two rounds. Knock on wood that we get a year where we don't have any injuries, we don't have any problems. There's not going to be any, slow years or slow parts of the year where there's people missing. And for him to just be competitive. If we get more races like this one between him and Jet, with Cooper Webb, any Roxon, anybody else who are up there, and they're just pushing the pace constantly, but lap after lap after lap, it's going to be such a good year. And yes, it is going to be sad that this is his last, I think, full year of actually racing, maybe the full series. I don't know what the actual plan is. Maybe he's fully retiring, whatever it's going to be. It is sad to say that because, eventually we're going to start losing Tomac, Roxon, Barsha, Webb, like that generation of riders is, next 3-4 years, probably most of them are going to be gone. And you got to take this for the year it is. You got to be super excited that, he is racing Jet Lawrence, who is the future or the present, however you want to say it, where you can still say that Tomac is still the present. He is still one of the best people on a motorcycle, racing supercross, motocross, whatever you want to, whatever the discipline it's going to be. Uh, this is one of those years I'm excited to see. Every year you're excited to see racing. It's always good when racing is back. The gap between SMX and Supercross always sucks, but I'm just excited for this year to continue. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. What do you think of A1, A2? Are you excited for A3? Who do you think is going to win the titles in the 450s and the 250s? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.